Alright, my friends and family. Grab your pens and papers. Let's get this shit going. 5, 4, 3. This music pause. What atrocious price action the past few days. Oh, well, honestly, the past 2 weeks. It's been very tough. Very tough. Alright. Here we go. Five, 3, 2, 1. Transition. Boom. Okay. We're going to start with BTC, as usual. Man, what price action, man? Honestly, crazy, atrocious. All right. I will say, from a high point to a slow point, I think this is one move. And now we're just trying to figure out what the fuck's going on here. From this point to the low side to this point, to me that's 3 waves. It goes up, down, up. And to me that's 3 waves. So now the question's starting to begin and linger with me. Is this going to be a triangle? It's going to turn into a triangle. I kind of think so, man. So A, B, and this could all be C or not. But I really do think that this is definitely a triangle. And zooming in here, to me it's like a little 3-way pattern. You know, down, up, down. 3-way pattern, cool. So I'm thinking this C is still not done here, like that. So I'm thinking C is from here, up, correction, and now we're gonna actually realize for C. Come around here, reject that trend line, come down for D. That's where we really want to think about buying, and then that's the ultimate test right there. The E trend line break. I know you say, never mind. But yeah, that breakdown candle today does not look too good though on a 4-hour. So in order for me to be confident on this idea, we definitely have to regain probably 38,500 to be really safe. Also, it's on the low side. It's hitting a 30 level, so it's not bullish level, range level, but it is negative. I personally think this is gonna happen. 3 waves, A, B, C, and then now we're gonna 5-wave rally or 3-way rally. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I think it's gonna do that. Breaks this high, at that high, get the fuck out. It's probably gonna come more like this. That's my assumption though. Just looking at it like this. Sorry, I was looking at text. But anyways, yes. So, impulse, 3 waves. I think we're still in this stupid little range here, like this. We probably rally higher. This is an automatic short for us. If we break 42,600 on BTC, that's an automatic short for us across the board for sure. So I think this is gonna happen, no doubt. You know, time will tell. We never know for sure. But to me, this is logically the most, what makes the most sense. So East. Same with East, man. It's just like chop, 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 man. Chop, chop, chop. A, B, and this could all be B. We don't really know. A, B. I think this has to be C. C's in here still. And I don't think C's done. I think C has more time to go, like that. To really fuck with us and fuck with our heads and all that shit. I do think it's gonna happen, man. If we start trading below the daily low at 24.90, then we're definitely wrong. But I think this is gonna happen. We're gonna rally to the high side, crash 26.78, and then from that point we probably fall lower to what we've always thought was gonna happen, which is a super triangle. Yeah. Anyways, I don't know if anyone's chatting with me. Hold on. One moment. I need to look at that. Nothing. Okay, cool. Let's make sure. But yeah, man. I just really think this makes the most sense. Everybody's like super bearing down right now. Like, oh, we're gonna go lower, go lower. I think we have one more rally midday through the week that's gonna fucking sucker people and think we're gonna go long, and then it just crashes down, being the east side high side, and then we just cascade by thousands within days and stuff like that. But yeah, let's go to. I mean, it's the same shit, man. If BTC is trading below 37,000, I'm worried as fuck. Because this is three waves. So this should rally them to the high side, but it might not do that because all what's going on. But I do like this a lot. Sorry, he hadn't texted this fucking person. Anyways, yeah, man. Damn it, he texted me something. This is what I think is gonna happen. We're gonna hold this level. If we start trading below 37,000, and obviously out the window. But as long as we hold that level, I think we're gonna rally high to the high side at 42,500, and at that point, that's when I have to let go of everything because I just have to. No sense is to hold and think I might go to the moon side. Just take what you already planned and take it off the table. Yeah. Yeah, I can't really think of it. Anyways. I think for sure this is gonna happen. Oh shit! I'm so sorry. Single fucking road. Can't say that. All right. Be back. So yeah, man. If those levels hold, then I think we're gonna lower. This is a pretty nasty candle to have on the 4 hour, but it's just only one 4 hour candle, so you can't really exactly trust everything on that. Yeah, it's just gonna be very difficult. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, man, I think that's gonna go down. Eventually, no matter what. This just looks like a distribution pattern, and we're gonna go down to the low side at like 20,000 or something like that. Who knows? But it seems logical. Last time I was in a high time frame and had to like pick and choose, I always went with the most logical ones, and I always tend to work perfectly fine. So. Yeah, this looks like a triangle, man. I'm with it. I think it's gonna happen. Yeah, I think this is what's the most logical thing here. A, B, C, D, E. For sure. For sure. I hope you guys can hear me. I didn't check that. It's not good. Yes, you guys can. Cool. But yeah, man, I think this is going to happen. Unless she starts breaking like 80 RSI and stuff like that, then I'll start questioning things. But she's still under 75, so she's still in that range where they could have a fever. Anywhere from like 40 something to like 75, something like that. But yeah, man, I'm about it. I know I need to be somewhere else. I know it. I should have the opportunity to steal there no matter what, anytime I want. So, I think a BNB will be a very good opportunity. But anyway, man, I'm kind of getting off tangent now. There's not too much to really talk about. My highest degree wave count is probably similar to everyone else's. It's 1, 2, 3, possible 4, and 5. If we do break that low here at 32,500 and doesn't quickly get back above that on like a buy in process, then I'll be concerned. But yeah, man. Yeah, I think this is what's gonna happen. I think this is currently happening. It's just unfortunate that happened, and it was crazy as fuck. Yeah. Yeah, I think the Bears are gonna win eventually. No matter what. Try not to trade today, Sunday. Wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be better. Always gives better opportunity. So chill out, see if things happen the way we want to happen. Then it gives a really good and easy trade tomorrow. All right. Yeah, it's all the same thing. All the same thing, except souls. Souls are the only ones different. I know, dude. Anyways. I saw that shit movie yesterday. I was like, what the fuck? Why is this thing popping? What wild PA though? I also had nobody in the chat room right now. It's kind of depressing. It's kind of hot right now. I'm putting my fan. Hold on a second. Sheesh. Sweating like a dog over here. Anyways. Yeah, it's kind of like, I don't know. Go Soul. I guess Soul's a better play. Nasty regular division right here. That's nasty. And it's positive too. Nasty. Yeah, I think this still comes true. I think we're going lower. Yes, for sure. How we get there, I have no idea, but I definitely think that's gonna happen. All right. Does anyone have any other questions or concerns? I'm trying to get these things rolling as fast as possible and not being so picky and all that shit on how we get to a point in my consensus and stuff like that. But I would want to know that I want to know your feedback on it. Is this too fast? Do you want more? XRP? I got you, bro. I still think this, ABC. What I think is going to happen here now is this, here, and then here, and then here, and then here. So from this low side, that was very strong and powerful. So I think that this movement initiated a new trend, or not, a change in direction from going to the downside. Now we're possibly turning to the upside. And the quickness and the way it actually took off this little hip, or we call it order block, and sustain a decent retracement, man, it makes me really think. You know? Wait this real quick. But yeah, man. The way this low to this high has taken out basically the majority of this, and the speed at which it did it, makes me really believe that you're possibly in this ABC in green right here. The way I would trade this coin, because this is very interesting to me. This is a very interesting coin to me. So A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clearly 3 waves, all 3 waves. So if she comes down here, I'm definitely going here. But yeah, that's essentially it, man, with XRP. The daily chart, 3-day chart is kind of different. I know there's a lot more price action on this side. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. We finally had to gain some confidence to put a low, a higher low, and stuff like that, and I'm very proud of that from. Yeah, I think that's gonna happen, man. I think today, by the end of the day, like London to like maybe New York open tomorrow, this is gonna be down here like that. Is that it though? Is there any more requests or questions or concerns, anything like that before we get out of here? I personally think this is what XRP is gonna do. Just the way we reacted from this low side. It was very powerful. It took out some hips. The retracement has been what I deem as most likely 3 waves. So it's not you, it's just who he is. I still see a fat descending triangle. Let's go find an older chart. I think it's Phoenix that has it. XRP USD. That is Phoenix. Here we are. Give me a moment to kind of brainstorm this. Yeah, no problem, Eugene. If anyone has any last minute question concerns, I'll definitely look at them. But what I'm paying attention to here right now on this weekly on XRP is that the fact that momentum's still negative as fuck. We're back pressing towards the neutral to positive side, as you see here, that's turning white. So we're pressing towards the positive side. But be patient and wait till it actually crosses, and that's when we pull our trigger. Alright? So I personally think we're going to go lower. So, up, down, up. Yeah. So, anyways. Any last minute questions or concerns? Is there anything I want to look at possibly? Sensitive. Mana. Litecoin definitely looks like a very good buy. Looks like a very clean ABC, but who knows what the fuck's gonna happen. Alright, mans. Alright, my family, my people, my friends. No many last minute questions because sun's coming through. I like Litecoin here because look at this divergence here. It's coming as positive, man. And this looks like an ABC to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks like a very simple opportunity to get into a position on this coin. Especially since it's on the low side. Obviously, it's risky because it's on the low side like that. It just cascades to the low side and be gone. But I think it's way more worth it. So let me know. We'll see you next. Like 2 minutes. I'm gonna go run to the user restroom, put the tunes on, and then if no more last minute questions or concerns come through, I will just run through everything one more time, and then I will get this shit out. Cool. Alright. Cool, I'm back. More shit. Boom. Alright, so let's check for any more last minute question concerns. If not, I'm gonna get out of here. Can you look at link? Take reviews. Yeah, I got your link, bro. No. Oh yeah. Let's go the daily. Horrible. 3 days. Okay, 3 day. It's a big time frame. Got great divergence here, right? You gotta know where we're wrong. Yeah, that's pretty fucked up price action, man. Not gonna lie. I think I'll go lower first. This. Like this is all one move here. Then it's gonna go like that. Here is gonna buy. To fill this entire pattern. Right, check the equivalent. I don't want it to be below that level. That's just disgusting. 91.10. Yeah, it's not looking too good, man. Posting these last minute charts. Well, I'm assuming this is how far I go back. Yeah, the bare minimum, man. I think it's this. The bare minimum. And we'll see what happens after that. Yeah, I think if we break this low here at 1141 on link, I think that's an instant buy opportunity for us because this, to me, this is like an ABC here, and came off down 3 waves, down 3 waves. So to me, this, if this does happen and breaks that low, like I said, at 1140, then we're instantly looking for this buy opportunity. Because if this is true, then we're gonna at least get like a 20 to 30% pop from this buying opportunity, if it's correct. Obviously, we never know until that day. So, but I do personally believe this is gonna come true. It makes most sense logically. Checking all this stuff makes most sense, especially when it's yeah. All right, my friends. My friends and family. I am gonna get out of here because we're basically done. Unless anyone else has any last minute questions or concerns or anything like that, then I will get the hell out of here. Stop talking, turn on my voice to know I talk a lot. But tell me what you want, get it going, get it covered, and then we'll get out of here. Alright? One more request, and I'll do it. So let me know. Let me know. And Matic. I will cover Matic too. I like to say run and have one more request, Cardano. I'll do that too. I'll do Matic and Cardano, high time frame, 4 hour and above, and then we get out of here after that. Any more requests? Okay, yeah, we'll do Matic and Cardano, and then we'll get out of here, right? I've been getting asked a lot about Cardano, what I thought about it, my opinion on it. I really don't know what the fuck I had to feel about it when it comes to like fundamentals and shit like that. I really don't know that. I haven't really started to pay attention to Cardano like that. So if anyone has like a very good grasp on that idea, send that shit to me. But based on just the charts, we'll do something. We'll figure out what the fuck to do. Cardano. We'll do Cardano. Alright, seems like this is the oldest chart again. I really don't know what happened before here. You can only speculate and assume. I obviously assume it probably came up like this, obviously up now. But that's for another discussion. But right here, to me this is like a very clean ABC. Yeah, it's very interesting because I don't know what happened before here, so I can't really assume. I can't say this is wave 3, this is wave 5. I don't know because the rest of this price set is not there, so we can only speculate and assume. It was all so good though. Everything was so good. Same thing too, positive divergence. If we're over 96 cents, I think this much shit stuff popping off though. Over 96 cents. Yeah, I personally think that ADA is possibly looking like a buy opportunity, man. The way this entire structure is forming seems like it could be that. This could be a wave 4 instead of 5. And then if that were to be the case, then we would probably reject around the 68% level of this current move down, which is probably like right here. So I'd probably do this, find some trouble, and then reject. But if we could like kind of show him not to be a shithead over there, let me change. Kraken has more data. Sorry guys, I just saw that. Oh, it's actually the same idea. That's what I thought. I just went lower. And again, yeah, dude, it's very interesting because if this is the high of 3, then this is done. We're moving out indefinitely. But if this is the high of 3, that means that we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna reject that around this blue line, and then making new lows like that.
Matic.
Yeah, I personally think we're closer to the bottom or not. I think one more low maybe. Like this to break that low. I think this is a possible 5 coming through. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more low to fulfill the needs. 68 cents is what I would say possibly would cause the change, but we don't know until time tells. So just gotta keep being positive and pray for that shit. But it's not us. I'm pretty happy with this chart though. I think this is exactly what I think this makes a lot of sense. I know for y'all, I probably need more commentary on the chart, stuff like that. But for me, this is perfect. I know what I want to do. I know what I want to see. Break the low side here at 75 cents. Come to the place at 68 cents, and then yeah, I'm okay with that. Matic. There we go. Pretty good. Wow, this is a really good looking coin. I think. It just depends on how you depict the top move right now. All right, so sorry, I was texting my guy like, homie. I think this is this kind of looks like a 1 through 5, man. The only issue is that this is kind of funky, but I think it's an A, B, and a C here, and now we're correcting this. So I think this is a buy, man. I think Matic is gonna be a buy, especially if on the 3-day it flips to 21. That's game over. We know that's gonna be a good opportunity to get in. Yeah, I think this is ABC right here. So I'm thinking it's all one big move. Anyways, I think this is what's going to happen. I think no matter what, Donnie needs one more low. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one more low. That low should be the low for sure. If it's going to be true. The best way to trade it is just waiting for confirmation of Chevy and SRSI. Once this continues to stay positive, and then this continues to stay white or over it, positive, whatever you want to call it, then that's all you need. To be on the opposite side. But yeah, I'm thinking this, man. I'll be definitely interested in this coin between 61 cents and like 80 cents. Alright? Alright. BTC, I just think it's in a triangle, so it doesn't matter. But, anyways. This is now the time where I will say goodbye officially. I have been talking for about 45 minutes. Damn, that's pretty long. Did not know that. But yeah, for 45 minutes I've been rambling and jambling. So this is about the time where I wrap it up, start fading out. I personally think we're going to be stuck in a range for a little bit longer. It's going to be very muddy and hard to trade for the next maybe week or two. But once the range is deviated from, I think that would be excellent trading opportunities for us. We make a lot of money that way. But anyways, thank you for tuning in. This has been your boy Satoshi motherfucking heavy. Till I see you next time. This is Wednesday at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Don't forget, daylight savings times. Not for us, not for me, whatever. But so for some people. Anyways, peace out. Y'all have a great day.